Today you'll be taking the all-new 2020 CX-30. I mean, look at this thing. It is awesome.
All right, today, MAZDA of Wesley Chapel hooked me up with a 2020 CX-30. It's red, it's smoking, it's beautiful. And we're hitting the road to kayak the tranquil, smooth waters of the Chassahowitzka River, diving through underwater caves and exploring the Crack and Seven Sisters Springs. Buckle up, let's go. It's time for a road trip. Hey guys, we have just made it to the Chassahowitzka River in our beautiful MAZDA CX-30 from MAZDA of Wesley Chapel. Ready for a day on the water.
And so today we're on the Chassahowitzka River. It's located in Homosassa. And what we're going to be doing today is exploring the Seven Sisters Springs and one of my favorite places out on the river called the Crack. It's about a 3.2 mile round trip paddle out from the boat dock. First, we're going to stop at the springs here, and that's going to be one of the few classified magnitude 1 springs here in Florida. And then it's going to be just about another 2 miles down to the Crack and back, which is an aquifer that has been bursted out from this kind of sanctuary area and looks like another planet out there. It's going to give you a different experience than just going to the beach for the day. This is going to get you back in touch with the real nature of Florida that we have in our backyard.
The Chaz is a great place to road trip. It's an amazing spot to come out at. Underwater caves is really cool. You're literally seeing thousands of years of water carving through the rock, and you get to swim through it. I enjoy the paddle to the Crack. The stream there is just amazing. I like how shallow and how easy this river is compared to the other rivers. They're much larger, but this one is small and simple. It's easy to do if you're paddling. This river, most of it's very shallow, so you can really pick anywhere to get out and swim if you're into that. So we do also offer rentals here. We rent by the day. The prices are very fair. We have kayaks, canoes, john boats, paddle boards, everything. I think it's a once-in-a-lifetime experience for sure. It's definitely, like you said, a gem. It's a relic of what Florida used to be.
Okay, we just got done snorkeling through underwater cave tunnels here in Homosassa. Seven Sisters Springs is certainly a hidden gem. I've never seen anything like this anywhere else, especially Florida. Man, today was so much fun. Kayaking a beautiful place and driving here in a beautiful car. The CX-30 from MAZDA of Wesley Chapel was the perfect ride for a road trip, and make sure to come down to Chassahowitzka River for an experience unlike any other in Florida. Nothing like kayaking in the Florida rain. Welcome to Florida. Summer has arrived, and Taste and See Tampa Bay is hitting the road.
And the Giant is putting you in the driver's seat to the best road trips in Florida. Are you ready for the summer adventure, Zach?
It'll be giant.